I do top right, bottom left.
Yes.
Right? All right. The X's start on top of the turnbuckle. I'm using a 20,000 safety wire and a 40,000 safety wire so you can see the difference, okay?
Yes.
So you see that 1 and 1, 20,000 and 40,000.
Yes. One's thicker than the other.
Yep. Come over here. Make my second X right at the end, the ass of that turnbuckle.
Yes.
Straight like that, all right?
Yes.
That's 1X, this is 2X, and this is our third X.
Third
all
X.
right? From here, you come over. Take care, boss man. Get home safe. See you tomorrow. Yep. If I'm going upstairs here.
Yes.
With the 40,000, this is the thick one. I'm going downstairs with the 40,000 over here. After I make that X. That's my first X. My second X goes where? My first X, my second X, my third X goes where?
By the ass.
Right at the ass of the turnbuckle.
Of the turnbuckle.
Right? And being that I went upstairs with the top over here, I'm going to go downstairs with it this time, okay?
Yes.
And the 20,000 will come upstairs. Now, being that we have our first X in here,
yes,
second X on top, and our third X at the ass end of the turnbuckle,
yes,
everything else applies the same. So I'll pull these through.
Yes.
Do my 4 loops per strand, safety wire, or clip.
Yes.
Everything else is exactly the same.
All right. Pigtail it and then tie it off.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Ms. Miller.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you. All right, Mr. Sequintes.
There you have it. We have our safety wire for block 2. We have the X safety wire here, double wire. That just now needs to be tied on the end at least 4 times and pigtail. But this is a perfect wire to keep the bolts in place on the aircraft, to keep them from unloosening. These safety wires provide a harness to have them to tighten as they loosen. You guys stay in tune with the vlogs. Be sure to subscribe to MONEYMA. You can find my vlogs through AIM, Aviation Institution of Maintenance, through that YouTube search. Thank you. See you soon.